Well, the next phase of Arkansas's COVID-19 vaccine rolled out today, which includes teachers and everybody 70 years of age and older. But the waiting lists to get the shots are still filled with patients from the first phase. Good evening. Thanks for joining us for your 5 News at 6. I'm Darren Bobb.
And I'm Veronica Ortega. 5 News reporter Juliana Clipson spoke with one Northwest Arkansas pharmacy that's working hard to manage the influx of people wanting to get vaccinated. Juliana?
Yeah, these pharmacies are given just a small amount of vaccines each week by the state. And the task of getting the entire population of Arkansas vaccinated falls heavily on local pharmacies like Debbie's Family Pharmacy here in Rogers.
Right now, we just have more people that are wanting doses than we have doses to give.
Pharmacy owner Andrew Mize says at this time, there's about 6,000 people on their waiting list to get vaccinated. And it's the same situation at pharmacies all across the state.
Besides us, there were 5 other pharmacies in Benton County. So when you're talking 250,000 people and 6 pharmacies, it's just going to take a little while.
Mize says his team finds out at the end of each week how many vaccines they'll get, which he says is normally an extremely small percentage of what they actually need.
And we only get about 200 doses, hopefully a week. And the next couple weeks is probably going to be even less, just because there's fewer coming into the state.
Mize says he's coordinating with other pharmacies in Benton County to make sure everyone who is eligible and requested one gets a vaccine. Mize picked up around 200 doses of the vaccine today from a local hospital where they're stored in a special freezer. He will give those vaccines to patients who have scheduled appointments after hours this week. Rogers Fire Chief Tom Jenkins serves on the NWA COVID-19 Task Force. It's a group made up of local leaders from different areas of the community. He says they've received countless calls about the vaccine. The message is similar to Mize's. The process will just take time.
Sometimes progress and getting across the finish line is something we want to do quick, but this is kind of one of those situations. It's just going to be, as they say, hard by the yard. We're gonna earn it here.
Mize anticipates it will take roughly 8 to 10 weeks to get through all of Phase 1B. We're live in Rogers covering news where you live. Juliana Clipson, 5 News.
All right, Juliana, thanks. If you're eligible to be vaccinated in Phase 1B, you can sign up for the vaccine through your local pharmacy or doctor's office to be put on a waiting list.